Let me make something clear. You're either getting paid while you sleep or you're working until you die. Most people choose the second option, whether they realize it or not. So ask yourself, do you want to keep running in place, or do you want to build a machine that pays you while you do nothing? Because that's what JEPQ does. It's paying me every month over $2,100 and I'm not doing a damn thing to earn it. Want to know how? Keep watching. Here's the truth. Most people invest like amateurs. They're buying stocks, crossing their fingers, and hoping they picked a winner. It's a guessing game. And guess what? They lose. JEPQ, it's not a guessing game. It's predictable. The thing has been around for over 2 years now, and it's paying out a 12.46% 30-day SEC yield. That's real money every single month. And the 12-month rolling dividend yield is 10.02%. While everyone else is sitting around hoping their stock jumps 5% next year, I'm getting paid right now. It's up 9.68% this year, and it's focused on big tech. But here's what makes it different. It's not just about the stock going up, it's about the monthly cash flow. You see, you're not waiting for the market to decide your fate. JEPQ pays you every month, no matter what's happening out there. And that's the difference between people who are hoping to get rich and people who are already getting paid. Let me put it this way. Last month, I added well over $100,000 into JEPQ. Why? Because it pays me every single month, and because interest rates are coming down in the money market fund where I had the cash parked, so I was seeking higher returns for that money. The beauty is, I don't need to wait for some big market rally or play the long game, hoping my stock hits. No, I'm getting cash every 30 days. I now own 4,004.71 shares of JEPQ, and this month they paid me $2,101.01 in dividends. Let me say that again. $2,101.01. That's money in my pocket, money that I didn't have to work for. And the best part, I get it next month too. You see, JEPQ pays monthly dividends. Most of the other ETFs make you wait quarterly or worse, annually. But with JEPQ, you get paid now. So whether you need to cover your rent, your living expenses, or reinvest it to grow even faster, it's happening every single month. This isn't theory, it's reality. I could easily be living off these dividends, and you could be too. Now let's cut the BS. Here's how JEPQ makes you money. It holds tech stocks and sells covered calls on them. What does that mean? It means it's renting out its stock positions to other investors, and it gets paid a premium for it. That premium, it gets sent to you in the form of dividends every month. This isn't a gamble. This is a calculated strategy. JEPQ knows it's not trying to hit home runs with capital gains. It's playing smart, steady income month after month. That's why the dividends are so high. They're selling the potential upside to someone else, but they're locking in real income for you every single month, no questions asked. Sure, you give up a bit of the potential growth in exchange for that consistent cash flow, but are you really here to chase lottery tickets, or are you here to get paid? JEPQ plays it smart, and that's why it's paying me every single month, while most people are hoping their stock doesn't crash. Let's talk numbers, because most people don't get this. The S&P 500, it's fine. You'll get 1.5 to 2% yield if you're lucky, but that's nothing if you're trying to live off dividends. You'll need millions, but that's nothing if you're trying to live off dividends. You'll need millions invested just to make it work, and even then, you're barely scraping by. Meanwhile, JEPQ is currently paying out over 12%. Let me put that in perspective. If you've got $100,000 in the S&P 500, you're making $1,500 a year. With JEPQ, you're making over $12,000. That's 8 times the income. And it's not just about the yield. JEPQ is tech heavy, and over the last few years, it's outperforming the S&P 500. So while everyone else is waiting for their growth stocks to take off, you're cashing checks every single month. Let's talk specifics. I now own 4,004 shares of JEPQ, and that's worth about $218,000. This month, those shares paid me $2,101.01. That's money I didn't have to work for. It just shows up month after month. Now, I didn't start with $218,000. I started with a few $1,000 and built it up over time. But the point is, I'm not relying on some speculative stock to hit it big. I'm getting paid every month, and I'm using that money to keep building. It's a machine. The best part, you can start today. And here's how you really build wealth, by reinvesting those dividends. Let me show you what I do. Last month, I made $2,101 from JEPQ. The current price is around $54 a share, so I'm taking that cash and buying roughly 39 more shares. Those 39 shares are going to pay me next month, and then I'll buy even more shares. You see how this works? Every month I'm adding more shares, and every month I'm getting paid more. It's compounding. It's called the snowball effect. And here's the kicker. Every time you reinvest, your money works harder for you. Instead of just sitting in a bank account doing nothing, it's growing and multiplying. The more shares I have, the bigger the dividend payouts. That's how you build real wealth, and that's how you set yourself up to retire on just dividends. I know what you're thinking. I don't have $218,000 to drop into an ETF. Well, guess what? Neither did I when I started. I was 22 years old, just out of the Marine Corps with a few $1,000, and I had to grind my way here. But here's the thing. It's not about how much you have right now. It's about starting. Even if you've only got $500 or $1,000, you can get in the game. The key is to start. And if you're sitting on equity in your house, why not downsize? Free up that capital and put it to work. You can keep sitting on your house and hoping it appreciates, or you can take control of your financial future right now. The choice is yours. Don't sit on the sidelines while your money sits idle. And here's the deal. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time, right now. So stop making excuses, get off your ass, and start investing. I started with nothing. I was a broke 22-year-old just out of the Marine Corps, but I worked my ass off, made smart investments, and now I'm 54, living the life I always wanted. And you can do it too, but you have to start now. There's no secret formula, there's no shortcut. It's just about starting, staying consistent, and making your money work for you. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Look, here's the deal. I've got strategies that could retire me today if I wanted, but I'm not stopping. Why? Because I love this game. I love building wealth, and I love helping others do the same. That's why I'm still here sharing these moves with you. Now, if you're serious about leveling up your investments, if you actually want to start playing at a higher level, join my Patreon. You'll get real-time trade alerts, my top plays, and daily breakdowns of what's hot in the market. Here's the kicker. Every day you wait, you're leaving money on the table. So stop watching from the sidelines. Jump in, because I've got strategies coming that could set you up for life. The link's in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.